Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great Monday and I hope you all had a great weekend. Well, today as you can see we have an unbagging. That means we have a review. So let's find out what is in the bag. Well, if I can get it undone with my handy dandy scissors. Let me put them away so they don't fall on my foot. All right. Well, we have 3 cross stitches, and these come from the DPClubs store, and if they have any specials or any discount codes, or if I have any, they'll be right in here and in the description box below. So let's start with the first one and move them out of my way. It is a Joy Sunday Kit, 14 count. So let's take a look. Oh, I guess I got it all out of there. All right. Flip it over. This is called Spanish Arch. It is 20 by 49. And there is a set of these, I'm not sure how many's in this set, of small, skinny locations, if you will. So I wanted to see what these would be like. It looks like they're full coverage. Oh yeah. So this one is evidently Spain. Just saying. I don't know. Now it looks like we have 23 colors. So we have back stitch and we have full stitch. That's all. So there's a little bit of back stitch around these buildings. So they're in the, and maybe in the trees, and maybe something by the water. I'm not sure what all that is, but yeah. So let's take a look at the colors. I don't see anything that I know of. So they're coming out with lots of different color combinations in these, that not the old reliables. So none of these I do know. It is 62 by 172. So let's take a look at these colors. Does come on the good thread card. And we have browns in 3 shades, plus a really pale yellow, if you will. And on this side, so I see no 310 black. So maybe they're using this color for the dark, you know, to like outline some stuff. And I'm sure the others are not. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. There's 8 colors used for the back stitching. So yeah, nice colors. Let's see what the canvas looks like. There is also 2 needles on there. And whoops, sorry, whoop, gotta go this way. So I think the back stitching will bring everything out. It has not been wet. Nice key, very big. You can see the numbers and the symbols. Very nice. The rest of them run up the side, but very well printed. Doesn't look real, what do you call it? There's no confetti, so that's a good thing. Like I said, the back stitch will help this along. Hold, please. All right, I had to wind up my tape measure. It is serged all the way around before I forget. And this is 48.5 centimeters, or a little bit over 19 inches by 20 centimeters, or almost 8 inches. Actual picture size is, looks like 15.5 inches, or 39.5 centimeters by 14 centimeters, or a little 5.5 inches. So not too big. Some big areas to stitch. So yeah, I think it'll be just fine. I'm thrilled sick. It hasn't been wet, but there's a lot of just normal stitching, and I love that. It's easy, and you don't have to really think about it. Let's get the other one out of its bag. Now, that one was $5.79, and this one is $5.99. Nope, I'm sorry, $5.79, so that must be the price of them. 20 by 49, and this one says the watery place of Venice. So, very nice. It is also full coverage. We have 25 colors. No 310 black. No 823 or 939. B5200 for the white. And we have back stitch over here. 9 different back colors in back stitch. No French knots. It is 62 by 172. And the back stitching is very nominal. Looks like it's in the windows and stuff. And like I'll call it a paddle. I know there's got to be a better word for that, especially there. But they have 2 lines for that. And you can kind of see them in the picture. Sorry, I'm losing my voice today. So we'll see if we can get this done before it decides to leave town permanently. We do have that 3799 color, which is a pewter color, and we have some lovely turquoise in there, some orangish browns, tans, rusts. Beautiful. Just gorgeous. Look at that blue. Looks like Wedgwood blue. Gorgeous. Let's take a look at the canvas. Hopefully it'll be as good as the other one. It has not been wet either. Very nice, very easy to see symbols. Now this looks like it's 11 count. Why does that look like it's 11 count? That's weird. Yep, this one is 11 count. Okay, fine. We're losing our mind. Did the other, no? Okay, they are both 11 count. Sorry. I usually get 14 count on these smaller ones, so nice. It'll be refreshing and go a lot easier. This one is not too confettied or anything as well. And I'm assuming it's the same size as the last one, within a few. So it looks like 49 centimeters or a little over 19 inches by 20 centimeters or almost 8 inches. So yeah, they're about of the same size. Maybe they're all 11 count. I don't know. I'm losing it. Just losing it. This one is 62 by 72. So neither of these look like they're too hard. So very nice. I'm thrilled that there's not a lot of confetti in these. And they're long and skinny, making for a nice summer kit. And this one is 11 count as well. Okay, I don't know. I usually do get 14 count in small ones, so that's why it's just so odd. Get it out of its thing here. And where is the paper? There we go. This one is the Taj Mahal, 20 by 49, so they're about the same size, 11 count as well. So I may have to go back and get the others. Now, I don't know that you had a choice or not. I don't remember that part. But yeah, oh, let's look at the colors, silly girl. We have a total of 21 colors in this. It looks kind of, I want to say monochromatic, but there are some darker colors. We have 221, which is a brick red. In this, 902 is a brick red. We have 3371, which is a dark brown, and B5200 as a white. So we only have 2 back stitches in this in colors, so just on the birds and a little bit on the building to bring it out. Let's take a look at the colors. Whoa, that's kind of bright. And they all come on this very nice thread card with numbers and DMC numbers and how many threads you have of each. Beautiful. Wait till you see this side. Lots of oranges and reds. Gorgeous. Just absolutely gorgeous. There's your 221 and your 902 and 3371, which I said was a dark brown, and your B5200 on the end. So very beautiful colors. Let's take a look at the canvas. Yeah, I'm thrilled that these are not in 14 count. It just seems like it takes forever trying to get everything going in the right direction. Holy cow. There we go. Very nicely printed as well. And I can't remember what the other ones are. You have nice big key. Very easy to see symbols and numbers. Just absolutely beautiful. Not a whole bunch of confetti either. There's your birds that are going to get some of that little back stitching for their feet and maybe their their bills. So let's measure this one as well. Might as well. We got it here, right? All right, 49 centimeters or 19¼ inches and almost 8 inches. So they are thereabouts of the same size. So yeah, I think they'll be beautiful. And they're going to be the kind of thing that you want to look at from a distance, kind of like a Monet painting, because they don't have a whole lot of detail. Now, you could put as much detail into this as you'd like, but yeah, I thought they were kind of cool looking. All right, now that is all I got from DP Clubs. Thank you, DP Clubs, for these 3 gorgeous kits. Have no idea which one we're going to start this afternoon, 1 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, USA. Now, like I said, if they have any specials or discount codes, it'll be at the beginning of the video and in the description box below. They have diamond painting, cross stitch, and paint by number. They always have tools and crafts, lots of them, and lots of choices for anybody in whatever craft you are into. They always have great prices, great selection, and great customer service. Thank you everyone for joining me today. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe. Stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.